I want to present to us another opportunity to catch dividend growth stocks in the Nigerian exchange group. What are dividend growth stocks? They are company stocks that are known for history of consistent dividend payment. This company do not only pay dividend, but they equally increase their dividend payout over year. Some pay dividend once in a year, while some pay semi-annually. In 2025, let me mention some of those companies that pay dividend twice this very year, e.g. Senate Bank, GTCO, UBA, Presco, Okomu. They've all paid dividend twice in 2025. So if you are that type of investor that love a dividend growth stocks, then you should consider any of the dividend growth stock that are being quoted in the Nigerian exchange group. Now, let me share the experience I had with Bua Cement stocks in 2025. I took position of Bua Cement stock when it was trading around 19 naira, and that should be March. That's another dividend growth stocks. You know, my strategy in the market is this. Since I know market is free entry and exit, so if I'm patronizing any company stocks, I must know my exit point. And how do I know my exit point? When I'm patronizing a stock of a company, I must be aware of the major resistance region of that very stock. So in case of Bua Cement stock, the major resistance region that was established by the seller in February 2024 was 185 naira. And that should be my exit. So I'm aware of it. No, the price of the stock began to rally. I think around August, the price entered 183. Now, looking at my 50-day simple moving average, I see that the price of that stock is still above the 50-day simple moving average. So I believe the buyers are still bullish over the stocks. So even myself, I still bullish over the stocks. So I still retain it. So after a few days, I discovered that both buyers and the seller were struggling at that major resistance region. And eventually, the seller prevailed over the buyer and the price dipped back to around 170, 175, 176. And that was when I exited the market. And after some days again, I checked and the price eventually plunged to 139 until it found support around 140. The stock price has recovered to around 160 naira. Now, if I consider the H1 2025 result in terms of the revenue, the profits, the earning per share, they were all impressive. And we are equally expecting a Q3 result. I see no reason why this very stock will not break that major resistance region of 185. I see that stock trading around 200. If Dangote Cement should be selling closer to around 600 naira presently. So why would Bua Cement not be trading around 200 before the end of this very year? Let me like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.